Look, it's not new year, new me. Drop that attitude. It's new year, better me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am Shakay and I do a lifestyle vlog. So today is
happy last of 2024.
I know, right? It's the last day of 2024. Yeah, so you know, definitely we have to vlog today and it will continue into the new year, so the first day and so on. So yes, by the time you guys see this, it will be the new year if you guys see this actually. So happy new year. I got up this morning. Well, I just make up my bed. I got up this morning and I was fixing my Sims game because it has been crashing. So I'm trying to figure out what I keep. So yes, right now I'm going to have breakfast. And then sadly, very sadly, I have to go back to work January. So I'm going to look some clothes and then iron today. Hopefully, maybe. You know, let me put off this bowl three times now. Put off this, but anyways, I'm gonna eat and then we'll get to that later. Hey lovelies, so it is now 6:04 p.m. and I've showered for the last of 2024. I'm just done shower. So what I did today, I actually ironed and I was chilling after that. After I finished ironing, I ironed for 4 weeks, people. But I don't know, normally would I like video it and something, but you know when you're in a mood to go back to work and you just iron because you know at the time pass, yeah. So I did iron the 4 weeks, so they're from here so about here, so yeah, I'm iron for church and everything, so yeah. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing later. I don't know what I'm wearing on my foot yet, because my black shoes mash up. So I'm not sure. I don't know what I keep for later. Yeah, black spots mash up. I didn't buy none. So we'll see. Oh yeah, I have on black shoes. So we'll wear that. I'm gonna put on my 90, my new 90 for the new year. I had on my Christmas one like this, so I put on this one. So new year 90. New year pajama. I meant to 90. I meant something that old. Anyways, pajama for the new year. So yes, I'm gonna go and download some more stuff for my Sims because tomorrow I want to play Sims and I'm trying to. There's a lot of broken things in my game, so I deleted all my CAS, all my cast things, so clothes, makeup. I'll learn something. If you know Sims, you know Sims. Anyways, so I deleted all of those and I'm trying to download some new stuff for tomorrow. Watch night starts at 10. I'm not sleep. I don't know. I wasn't in a mood for sleep. I'm ready to go to church. I'm going to sleep. But yes, I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, it is currently almost 9:30 and we're headed out.
Where are you spending the new year? Make sure no cartel concert.
Must say. Anyways guys, so this is the look for the new year. Yeah, and this is me. This is mommy. That is Shanique. Let's go.
John Newton. Maybe if you're a Christian, you would have heard the name, or perhaps you're familiar with him, because you know he wrote the hymn, Amazing Grace. How sweet the song.
Oh, we cross over. Oh, we cross over. 2025. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year guys. It is 2025.
I wish you all the best for 2025. No matter what happens, just remember to keep God with you always. Yes.
Finish with God.
Finish with God, start with God, everything, middle, side.
Yeah.
Just not let him off. Yes. In my only thing what matter, nothing else no matter. Psh. Right, so.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, January 3. Yeah. So, today I'm gonna be starting my January resets, kind of a maintenance kind of thing. So yeah. I think the last time I spoke to you guys was, what do you call it? New Year's Eve and New Year's. So today I'm gonna be, well, I'm washing because I didn't wash from last year. Yeah, from last year I'm gonna wash from last year. So yes, I have washing to do. I also need to wash my hair and redo it. But it's like I'm gonna wash it with the braid in it and then redo them one by one. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to go back and part it. Makes sense? Makes sense. So yes, that's that. I also want to do like pedicure, eyebrow, scrubs, and some there. So yeah. I just hopped out of the bath, guys. That was one of the most satisfying baths in like forever. Anyway, so did my everything shower. Yeah, even washed the hair. I'm trying to dry it because I also want to redo it. I don't know how long that's going to take because it's quite late. I think it's probably near 5 o'clock by now. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to dry it right now, and then we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, so I just redid my hair, my entire head. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm gonna have to like, what do you call it, hot water it again, because I'm redoing it because I think you're not telling me yesterday. I'm gonna tell you sure. I restart school on Monday. It's actually Saturday morning. I'm trying to look for the time to show now. Oh, there it is. It is currently 2:16 a.m. Yeah, we just had done my ear at 2:16 a.m. So yes, I'm gonna be heading to bed right now. Well, I'll get ready for bed and then head to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I wanted to really finish my hair tonight because I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. Well, later on today. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to grip my hair properly if when my nail is done. So yeah. Plus, when I wake up, I want to do my toes. I also want to do my eyebrows. So I say, you know what? I'm not gonna wake up and do this. So my toes, I just stay up and do it. So I'm finally done redoing. I want this to keep me for like a month. I don't know, cause my ear grow up, my ear pull up, easy to pull up. So I don't know if it's gonna keep. But let's see. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is currently about 8:40 something right now. I woke up from about 7, got up, and then I folded some clothes that I washed yesterday and put them away. Right now I'm gonna be doing my toes. So yeah, I'm tired. We're tired, but you know, we gotta push on. We gotta push on. So I am gonna get my toes done right now, and then I don't know, I'm hungry too. I'm hungry for my wake up this body. Like, I don't know, I don't get it. Last night, I actually ate ice cream at a late night because I was up. So after 11, thereabouts, like ice cream. So I eat that late and I'm like, I'm still hungry when I get up. Like, how? Anyways, so I'm gonna get my toes done. So this is the box of polishes that I have, and I wanted, this week is my pink week, so I'm gonna try them toes every week because I need to keep up with yeah, I need to keep my toes not looking crusty. So I know the little pink they were there with, it kind of look No, it's not like that. It's lighter than that. I'll pop up a picture on the screen of the inspo I wanted for my nails, but I don't know if I'm going to get it. Sister chose this one, so we're going to use this one. Put all of them back, move that aside. So yes, I have my, we call it base coat, top coat, and my, I call it cuticle oil. Yeah, cuticle oil. Got my remover, I got Q-tips and cotton pads. So let's do my nails.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Alright guys, so I am outside because I'm gonna be hot water in my hair right now. Yeah. I did not carry any rag. I mean, I go for my rag for me.
I did a part of it.
You know, she tell me. You want me to start the people like to go burn up the step.
What they were doing.
So, so I am back home. Don't do that. Yeah, so I reached back home. Just reached back home from the nail tech. It is, I don't know what time now, but anyways, my nails are done. Yeah, so these are the nails. I got pink as I told you guys I was gonna get. I kind of prefer the pink, they call it acrylic undertone than the nude one, because when the nude one, like when it grow out, I don't like how it look afterwards. So prefer how the pink one look when it grow out. And I got my bow, and she puts on some pretty something here. So these are the nails, and well, I'll insert the picture of it right here so you can see it a little bit better. I'm gonna lean bad. Anyway, so right now I have, I think the, what call it, the maintenance. The only thing left is my eyelashes. Oh yes, we need to do my skincare parts of it, but I'm not gonna do that until, I'm not gonna do the skincare until like later on in the night or in the evening. But for the lashes, I kind of wanted to do the lashes. I wonder if we do the skincare part now, like how I actually put on the lashes. I don't know, but I wanted to try to do the lashes. So I don't know, but yes, these are the nails.
This is gonna be my year.
Wow, this is gonna be my year.
You not see me.
Hi. I have this, well, not these lashes, not talk people. This, I wanted to do the individual lash, but I wanted to do like clusters. But the clusters that I must sell in my community, I don't think it's worth it because I see them on Shein for like not so much money. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see if me can install this. If not, then just call it a day. Right now guys, I do not know what I'm doing. I am not a professional, not even I'm just a beginner, okay? But I just love lashes. I can't do it. That's, well, I learned to do the, I call them strip lash. I don't know. Learn to do them long, the full one. But I kind of want to put on a lash where, you know, I don't have to think about take it off back. But like the same nights. See what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see how that works. The thing is, you know, you see, they are very fine. They're very, very fine, people. That's the problem. Me can't do it, man. But me I'll try. Me now got ever say me can. It's 2025. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Alright, so I think I'm supposed to put it under. No. You just throw. It's not working. It's not working with me. No, like there's no stickiness here. Done. Just done. So that was a fail. We're not gonna talk about that, okay? So I think this is gonna be the end of my maintenance, my January reset for the new year, for me going back to work. Yeah, this is gonna be the end of it. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. Hope you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I make a video. Leave a comment down below, guys, if you made it to the end of this vlog. Comment a bow emoji. Yeah, comment a bow. Alright, so no more real OGs. But yes, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.